Hi guys, and welcome to our next video. And in this one we're going to add a Favicon icon to our website. Now how do we do that, and what is a Favicon? So let's quickly go to our Firefox browser to quickly show you guys what it looks like. Now when you get to Firefox, you will see, or Chrome or whatever browser you're using, you'll see in the top left hand of your new tab, let's say you've got a tab right there, you will see this icon right here in the top left corner right there. Now this icon is a Favicon. Now let's go to VS Code to see how do we create one. Now what we first need is we need to type in a link. Instead of a style sheet, I'm just using Emmet at the moment. So instead of a style sheet, we're going to type in icon. Now the icon just is letting our browser know that this link right here is an icon. Now the href is a link or destination to our icon. We haven't created one yet. I'll show you how to create one now. Next one we're going to type is type. It will be an image and a PNG, and the sizes will be 16 by 16 and 32 by 32. But for our case, we will only use one. This is 16 by 16. Okay, let's quickly go and create one our browser. So the four things that you will need, let me quickly recap, is you need the rel icon, or href to the icon, the type, and obviously the size. All right, now let's quickly go to Firefox to create our icon. All right, we're gonna type in Favicon generator. Right, as you can see on the top part right here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna favicon.io, you type it, click on this one, completely free. Now you will see this window right here, but for us, we're going to go to the PNG to ICO. So we click on this one, then you will have this converter window path right here. We're going to click right here, then we're going to choose our logo. Then we're just going to simply press download. So press download. Then you'll say favicon.io.zip. Let me say save. Right. I'm just gonna save it quickly on my desktop again. So let's go there. I'm just saving it quickly there. All right, it finished downloading. So let's open it up. All right, so when we're on our browser, you can see this is the folder that we just downloaded. So we right click on it. Then it's just gonna say extract all. Right. Now it's finished. So you can see we got all our icons right here. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to close it right there. As you can see, we got our course folder from the beginning right here. So let me just delete this zip one. Just put it into the cycle bin there, empty it. And what we're going to do is we're just going to drag this folder right into that folder over there. But I think this might be a little bit complicated. Let's go back to VS Code because I don't want to confuse you guys. Let's go back to VS Code. Now in here, we're gonna, if you're in VS Code, you're gonna see on the index where our thing is, you right click, say new folder, and we're just gonna say img for image. img for image. Now what I'm going to do now is, let's go back to our desktop. Okay, on our desktop, we're going to take the Favicon, open it quickly, and you will see the 16 by 16. You see the 16 by 16 one? You right click, and then we're going to say copy. Then we close it, go into that folder of ours, and then we come to that image folder that we just created, and then we paste it in there. Okay. Paste it in there. Okay. So let's close it quickly. Right, let's go back to VS Code. Right, we're back in VS Code. As you can see, our icon is in there. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to say img for the image folder, and then we're going to type in Favicon, the 16 by 16 PNG. Now if we save it, let's save it, and then we say right click, we're going to open with live server. As you can see, right in the corner there, we have our icon. But what if we don't want the smaller icon? What if we want the 32 by 32? We do exactly the same thing. Let's go back to VS Code. Right, let me just copy this one down. And I'm just going to change this to the 32 by 32. That as well. And I'm just going to comment this one out so that it's not in use. And I'm going to go to my desktop and I'm going to copy the icon to the image folder right here. Let me just do that. Right, so we're going to go in here. The 32 by 32, we're going to copy. Then we're going to paste it inside our image folder right here. Paste it. As you can see, it's a bigger one. Now let's go back to VS Code. Just close this. Then you can see it's right there. So let's go into our browser. Hopefully it works. Right click and open with live server. And voila, we got an icon right there in the corner. All right. Thank you guys for watching. This will be the end of the video for us. And in the next video, we're going to add quickly how to add a style sheet to CSS to our document. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. If you do like the video, sorry about that. If you do like the video, please give it a like. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. You can just add some constructive feedback. Please give it in the comment section for us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.